Some catch say Akufo Addo sanctioned. One gasa meboa. Didn't I sit and tell you it was sanctioned by him?
Where do you dip him?
Yes.
No, we dip him.
I told you it was sanctioned by him.
Baah dip him.
It was sanctioned by Akufo Addo.
This is a sanction. No, this is a sanction.
I know who that man is. I've worked with him. I know who. This brutality.
Because this is a sanctioned operation
by the president.
No, but
the commander-in-chief of the armed forces sanctioned this brutality. And if I'm so sad to have this man as a minister, so sad,
are they?
So appalling, so disgraceful.
Are they?
Say me papa no noa, ka bad my head in shape. To say, Gan ni be man ko Antonio ma hwinsi ye. Can you say this? Subjecting some innocent persons to this brutality, and you have a disfranchised minister on radio. And yet she Gan ni be man ko Antonio.
But or apologize says
no. What did I say? No, what are we sitting here discussing? Are we discussing the arrest or are we discussing the excesses?
Yeah,
so what is he talking about here? So this confirms that the Ejula operation was sanctioned by the president, and that's why nothing has happened to them. I was the West for God
for normal compensation.
You see, what you see? Talking of compensation. Someone is dead. Obia compensation. Jabo be to be the them at that demoka compensation. And the emphasis called na bufu. So or uniform timbacho say area ho soldier for ntwem. Area na ye see kun soldier ni bi ntwem order. But you kun soldier ni bi wo. Area how many times you kun soldier ni? So what you do in why should you say this? Say area
okay.
Ne boni ne say wo hye soldier atade ntira. Area ho ne ku no no kwa ni soldier ni akotwa mo ha na. Minya sante. Unti proma soldier for mo wie da for don't know their behavior. One soldier major captain omoye rough omoye 77 nsem hu da. Obenya omanya ababa mfufuro no 3 4 5 6 months no 77 nsem fu bi omo na adi. Has he forgotten that? Is he not aware of this information? Ade we you see here no Kumasi mountain means is it because they are Ashaiman? Enti hano enye ne constituency enti hano would he have sanctioned this to his constituents? If you are in a serious country, Sarkasi Obekasa wahi esenke ade nchira kwa ya sake no as a minister. He has no locus, he has no knowledge, he has no business being a minister.
Oh.
Nothing. Yeah, that is what it is. Let's be frank to ourselves. Say minister of state, defense minister, Adokofo minister handle ye, intended current Kashigamo, and the MPP, and we have a fano. You just listen to him. Nekasano, Bomati Fontia, Nashasa Seb, Ababa Boa.
Ose BBNC.
And that is my
Assembly. Yaba ni say yaku military ni no mo kope nipa kro mu kun no.
Mo. Yaku military ni unim de okun no. Unim no.
So mo hwehwe.
Enti unim no.
In military operation at least 10%, 5% casual